So rather you're restarting your fitness journey this year, or you just want to take your fitness to the next level, doing a 3-day cleanse is always a good idea. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a 3-day cleanse. All these smoothies, all these juices are going to help you with immunity, digestion, inflammation, and help lower your blood sugar. And bonus tip, it's going to help you drop a little bit of weight super easy. Alright, so before we actually make the juice cleanse, this is what I'm using right here. So this is Hamilton Beach. You literally can get this from Walmart. I think it might be like 30 bucks now. I think when I bought it was 50, so it should be a little bit cheaper. If not, just look on Amazon. If you don't have a juicer, it's fine. You don't really need a juicer. You could just use a regular old blender, but we're gonna use a juicer today. And let's get to it. All right, y'all, so for the first juice that we're gonna make, it's actually called the Queen of Hearts because it's good for your heart health, your skin, your nails. Of course, it has all vitamin C, vitamin K, all the minerals, but most importantly, you just wanna make it real simple. So we got 3 apples right here. We just cut it off, cut it in half, make it real easy. So it's easy to put in there. 2 stalks of carrots, and then we got some ginger. So it's literally gonna take you about 5 minutes to do. Let's get it.
Use the thing to push it down.
Alright, this one's actually filling up pretty quick, so we're just gonna put this in the cup real quick so we can finish, and then we back to regularly scheduled programming. We gotta put the carrots in now, almost wrapped. So the next one is the green machine, all right? So we call it the green machine because you're really gonna be feeling like a machine. I think the best part about this one is real nutrient dense, especially if you have kids. It's good for picky eaters. But as far as the benefits, it helps you with bone strength, of course, immunity support. If you have high cholesterol, it's gonna help you lower that. And you know, everybody needs just a green smoothie in their life, so let's make it. So what's in it? So we got ginger, just like an inch of ginger. We got 2 apples, pineapple, just about 1/4 of the whole pineapple. We got a lemon. You can use lemon or lime on this one. And then we got the cucumber. So for our third and final juice, what we have is pineapple, we have an orange, celery, and we got a carrot. So honestly, I ain't got no name for this, but you can call it whatever name you want, but it's really good for digestive health. If you wanna lower your blood sugars or keep your blood sugars at a healthy level, this is really good, and just inflammation as well. So let's chop this thing up and let's get it going, see how it tastes. y'all, so that was the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I'm telling you, these juices are really good, and it literally takes you like 5 minutes to do each one. It's gonna help you with get all your vitamins in. You can use it for your kids, energy, digestion, low blood pressure. Everybody needs that, so make sure you drink it. Try it out. You can do a 3-day cleanse, you can do a 5-day cleanse, 7-day, and it helps you out. All right, y'all, so let me know which ones you're excited to try. Also, if you actually do these cleanses on your own, make sure you comment below so I can read which cleanses that you do. So remember, I post every single week on my channel, all about fitness and health. So check out the next one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.